It's time for cooking with Finn. He's got the fire in the pit. Outside or in the kitchen. Come along, cooking with Finn.
Hello everyone, welcome to Cooking with Finn. This episode we're going to be making salmon and broccoli. You'll need 10 ounces salmon, 3 tablespoons miso paste, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 3 tablespoons honey, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 1 knob of garlic, and 1 inch of ginger. First, let's preheat our oven to 400 degrees. Muy caliente! First, the glaze. In a small bowl, combine all of our ingredients to make the miso glaze. Miso plain is no bueno. Looks so chunky. Brush the glaze over the salmon and toss it in the oven for 10 minutes. Time for the broccoli! Grab your steam basket and pretend that you're like Iron Man. Put the broccoli in the strainer and add a little bit of water in it. Slice up a nice head of broccoli and season to your liking with salt and pepper. Throw it into the steam basket and steam until you preferred level of crunchiness. My new name is Chef Finn Ramsay. Let the salmon and broccoli rest. And let's take the time to surprise Mom with a clean kitchen. Time to plate this up. Optionally, you can cook a bit of rice to go with it. Don't tell anyone that I gave myself extra. I am the chef after all. Lastly, top the salmon with some green onion, and dinner is served. This has been Cooking with Finn. Keep cooking and stay safe, everyone. Adios!